Get ready to transform your content with the incredible power of FaceSwap Image for free. In this video, we dive deep into how AI's remarkable technology revolutionizes the way you create and share visuals. Step 1. Go to discord.com and create a free account. If you already have one, simply log in. Once you're done, on the left sidebar, click on the plus button and add a server. Click on Create My Own Server. Then click on For Me and My Friends. You can type any server name like me using the face change name for my server. Finally, click on Create button. Step 2. Add InsightFace bot into server. Now open the InsightFace AI link. I will provide you the link in the video description. Click on the Join Now button. Select the server we created in Step 1. Click on the Continue button, and now click on Authorized. Finally, we are ready for FaceSwap. Now proceed to the prompt bar and type a /. Then click on Save ID and upload your source image. In this case, I am uploading the Elon Musk image. After that, type a unique ID name and make sure to note down that ID name. In my case, I used SSD ID name. Press the Enter button and the image ID will be generated. Now, once again, type the / and select Swap ID. Upload your target image. Then, type your ID. For example, like me, I created an SSD ID and now hit the Enter key. Behold the magic as the face of our target image is swapped. Witness the astonishing results. This AI is truly remarkable and cool. Everything falls into place perfectly. Let's give it another go. Type the / once more, then select Save ID. Upload your source image, type in an ID name, and hit the Enter button. Now, repeat the process. Type the / again, but this time select Swap ID. Upload your target image, type in the ID name, and press Enter. This time, the results are even cooler. Take a look at the lighting, colors, and effects. This tool is truly wondrous. As we reach the conclusion of this video, I hope you've enjoyed exploring the incredible capabilities of this FaceSwap AI. Witnessing the seamless transformation of faces between images is just an update on cutting-edge technologies, tutorials, and creative innovations. Your support fuels our journey to bring you more fascinating content like this. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay connected.